welcome back to Midnight Science, where the gentle wonders of the universe invite you to relax and let your thoughts drift like stardust on a cosmic breeze. Tonight, we embark on a serene journey through facts about our universe, shared in whispers to cradle you towards sleep. Picture yourself settling into the softest chair, eyes closing as we explore the vast tapestry of space, time, and everything in between. The universe, that grand canvas of existence, stretches out in ways that soothe the soul rather than overwhelm it. Consider the sheer scale of it all, a fact as comforting as the night sky itself. The observable universe spans about 93 billion light-years across, a distance so immense that light from its farthest edges has traveled for nearly as long as time itself. Yet, this enormity is not daunting. It is like standing at the edge of a vast, calm ocean, where waves lap endlessly without hurry. Every galaxy, every star, every atom hums in quiet harmony, reminding us that we are part of something elegantly simple. As you breathe deeply, let this scale envelop you, a blanket of infinity pulling you gently downward into rest. And within this expanse, space itself is mostly empty, a velvet void punctuated by faint glows. 99% of the universe's volume is nothingness, yet that emptiness allows the beauty to breathe. It is akin to the pauses in a lullaby, the spaces between notes that let the melody linger. Feel your body sinking heavier with each breath as we prepare to wander deeper into these peaceful truths. Echoes of the Big Bang. As we drift further, let's turn our gaze to the birth of it all, the Big Bang, that tender origin story unfolding 13.8 billion years ago. Not an explosion in the dramatic sense, but a gentle expansion from a single, infinitely dense point, like dough rising softly in the warmth of an oven. In those first moments, the universe cooled just enough for light to break free, leaving behind a faint afterglow we call the cosmic microwave background, a whisper of heat echoing across space, uniform and serene, at a chilly 2.7 Kelvin. This background radiation blankets the cosmos evenly, with tiny ripples that seeded the galaxies we see today, much like gentle breezes shaping sand dunes over eons. Physicists measure these fluctuations with exquisite care, revealing how quantum seeds from the universe's infancy grew into the starry fields around us. It is a reminder of unity. Everything from your next breath to distant quasars traces back to that primordial hush. Let these echoes lull you, their evenness mirroring the steady rhythm of your heartbeat slowing into sleep. From this expansion, the universe continues to stretch, carrying galaxies apart like leaves on a widening river. No center, no edge, just everywhere unfolding together. Hubble's discovery of this recession in 1929 painted the picture, and today we know it is accelerating, driven by a subtle force we will explore later. For now, imagine yourself as part of this flow, expanding effortlessly into tranquility. The quiet dance of stars. Now, let stars light our path softly. Those enduring beacons born in the cradles of nebulae, vast clouds of gas collapsing under their own gentle gravity. A star like our sun forms when enough hydrogen gathers, igniting fusion in its core. A nuclear whisper fusing atoms into helium, releasing light that travels 93 million miles to warm our world. This process sustains stars for billions of years, a slow burn as reliable as the tide. Our Sun, a modest G-type main sequence star, has shone steadily for 4.6 billion years and will continue for another 5, evolving gracefully into a red giant before shedding its layers in a planetary nebula, leaving a white dwarf to cool eternally. Larger stars live faster yet beautifully. They swell, then collapse in supernovae, forging heavy elements like gold and iron in their final size, scattering them as seeds for new worlds. Each explosion is a cosmic poem, brief but profound, enriching the interstellar medium like rain nourishing soil. There are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all Earth's beaches, about 200 sextillion, twinkling in ballets of binary pairs and clusters. Neutron stars, remnants of supernovae, spin with pulsar precision, beaming radio waves like lighthouses in the night. Magnetars, their fiercer cousins, harbor magnetic fields a trillion times Earth's, yet they fade quietly. As these facts settle over you, feel the star's rhythm syncing with your breath, guiding you deeper into repose. Galaxies, swirling oceans of light. Easing onward, we find galaxies, those majestic swirls gathering stars into families spanning hundreds of thousands of light years. Our Milky Way, a barred spiral, cradles 100 to 400 billion stars in arms that twist like cream in coffee, orbiting a central bulge at 220 kilometers per second. From Earth's vantage in the Orion Arm, it appears as a milky band arching the sky, a serene river of light unseen by ancient eyes without dark skies. Galaxies form hierarchies. Dwarf galaxies merge into giants, as our Milky Way devours the Canis Major one, bit by bit, over eons. Andromeda, our neighbor, approaches slowly at 110 kilometers per second, destined for a gentle collision in 4 billion years, not crashing, but dancing through each other, gravity weaving new patterns like threads in a loom. Clusters of galaxies, bound by dark matter's invisible glue, form superclusters, with the Virgo supercluster home to ours, filaments threading the cosmic web. In this web, voids yawn vast and empty, balancing the glows, a yin-yang of fullness and hush. The Sombrero Galaxy's dust ring frames its core like a halo, while elliptical giants gleam with aged stars. Each fact a soft brushstroke on the universe's portrait, inviting your eyelids to grow heavier, your mind to merge with these oceanic flows. Black holes, silent guardians. Deeper still, black holes await, not devourers but sculptors of space-time, born from stellar cores too massive to resist collapse. A stellar mass black hole forms post-supernova, compressing miles-wide matter into a singularity, a point of infinite density where physics whispers its most elegant secrets. Surrounding it, the event horizon marks the boundary of no return, like a still pond surface beyond which ripples vanish. Einstein's general relativity predicts their gentle curve of light paths, confirmed by the first image in 2019 of M87's shadow, a donut of fire against void. Supermassive ones, millions to billions of solar masses, lurk in galactic hearts, are Sagittarius A, a mellow 4 million suns, feeding sparingly on gas wisps. They regulate star birth by heating neighborhoods, guardians fostering balance. Hawking radiation hints they evaporate over unimaginable times, quantum pairs flickering at the horizon. Mergers send gravitational waves rippling spacetime, detected by LIGO as soft chirps, ripples from billions of light-years away, Einstein's waves made real. These voids pull without fury, their presence inferred from dances of stars. Let their mystery cradle you, a dark pillow for dreams. Dark matter and energies embrace. In the shadows, dark matter reveals itself not by light, but by gravity's tug, comprising 27% of the universe's mass energy. It halos galaxies, speeding stars' orbits impossibly fast, like unseen hands steadying a spinning top. Without it, spirals would fly apart. With it, structures hold in quiet poise. Vera Rubin's observations unveiled this, mapping flat rotation curves that defy visible mass alone. Dark energy, the dominant 68%, accelerates expansion, a cosmological constant perhaps, anti-gravity's subtle push discovered via distant supernovae dimming unexpectedly. Together, they frame ordinary matter's 5% as a fleeting foam on reality's sea. Particle hunts in labs like 10 Enon 1T seek dark matter's particles, WIMPs or actions, yet eludes, enhancing the cosmos enigma. This duo ensures a stable, evolving universe from Big Bang to now. Imagine their invisible weave supporting all you know, a foundational hush beneath the stars. Breathe it in, letting tensions dissolve into this encompassing serenity. The universe's timeless horizon. As our journey softens to close, envision the future. Expansion dilutes stars into isolation, galaxies recede beyond sight, protons perhaps decay over 10 to the power of 34 years, fading to photons and leptons. Death looms not as end but equilibrium, maximum entropy's calm, a universe of uniform chill, peaceful as settled snow. Yet wonders persist, multiverses bubble eternally, inflation's echoes or cyclic bounces renew. Light from first stars, red-shifted ghosts, may yet reveal reionization's dawn. The observable horizon grows, 62 billion light-years per side, Hubble's limit yielding to accelerating voids. We have wandered scales from quantum flickers to cosmic fades, each fact a thread in physics' elegant loom. Thank you for joining Midnight Science. May these truths carry you into dreams of endless night skies. Sleep well under the universe's watchful hush, drifting ever onward.